Welcome to the Crypto Teacher, and guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand everything is planned out. The game is rigged, so therefore we don't fall for the same tricks. Now also, please spread this on social media. I want to thank those who purchased the book NWO, Cryptoteacher. Also, those who donate to the Cash App Patreon. Remember, I have something special for you this month, newsletter. And then also, guys, don't forget we do have, going into Bitcoin, we have CME and Bitmex going on right now. So the fact is that, guys, we know that the contracts ended Friday. We're going to find out if institutional investors leave out. Of course, the stock market is live. The cryptos were below 99.9 this morning, but of course they went above. So we definitely want to keep an eye on this. Like I said, guys, if we can stay between 86 and 9,000, we definitely be back above 10,000. But this is definitely going to be a very important week, because we'll see if they're sticking with the same strategy. Very, very important. So guys, make sure we're sticking to the fundamentals, looking at the stable coins, looking at XRP. We saw Well Alert with Tether get $200 million fundings in the past, I think it was like 3 days. So guys, they are setting this up to hit the moon. And once they push the button, there's no way of getting in. It's plain and simple. So just like I said, this summer is going to be big. Of course, before they announce that we're going to have a Bitcoin ETF, they're going to run this up before they even announce it. We know this. We know the game. But it's like I said, it's a very, very important week, because we're going to see whether CME, Bitmex, are they staying in with Bitcoin, or are they cashing out? So this is going to let us know big time this week. So it's very, very important. But don't forget also that their contracts start back up on the 5th, and they need Bitcoin to do, the derivative trading. So it's very important. So guys, we have also, of course, the China currency, talking about the actual code word. We know China digital currency is coming full speed. That's another catalyst that's going to increase cryptos, just because of the news that they're going to be using digital currency, even though it's not the cryptos that we're using. But the fact is that they're using it is going to be big for cryptos once they start, making everything live for everyone. Now, getting over into world news, we have the House passes the bill as far as, giving forgiveness, and then also another stimulus check. So you're definitely going to get another stimulus check if you fall below that threshold. And then also for small businesses, like I stated, if you do have a small business, make sure you're taking advantage of these things. We had IHOP, Denny's, and TGIF close 600 stores. Why? I have no idea, because majority of these stores are making money, and they don't even have to worry about paying a lot of people working there, because everybody's getting the money, getting the food to go. So it looks like to me they would have made more money. Plus they had these PPP loans that they could have taken advantage of. So it's definitely, this C word was definitely a big distraction. The same way as we can see these riots. Basically, the governor and the mayor said that these are out-of-towners. Now, we know regular people are not driving into Minnesota, guys. Come on now. Out-of-towners. I mean, the government moved them in. And they've done this plenty of times. We've quoted plenty of times of them moving in out-of-towners, paying people to go in and cause chaos, guys. It's the same story. The same way they were going on Craigslist, paying people to be at the Democratic conventions to fill the seats. Guys, they got busted. So guys, you have to understand that this is nothing but theater. They are the stage, we are the audience. And then also we have BlackRock saying that the race and inequality as far as with finances, guys, we all know JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, all of them were doing redlining. They're the main ones. That's how they keep this system going. That's how they keep the race system going. That's the reason why people believe in the black and white, because it's finances. And where finances come from, it comes from the banks. They control it. If I can control your neighborhood and how much money you're going to be getting I control your destiny. Unless you have a strong mind, strong parents, if I'm in poverty, that's the only thing that's going to get me out. So the banks have a choice of what neighborhoods that get the money. That's why it's called what? Planning. So when you go into your city, it's city planning. And they decide where they want the money to go and what neighborhood is going to get it. And the fact is that if I'm in the same neighborhoods, and a lot of these kids don't even get bussed out now. They changed that. A lot of kids got a chance to get bussed out, go in different neighborhoods, see different things. Now they go into their same neighborhood. They go to school in the neighborhood and they go home in the neighborhood. These horrible rundown neighborhoods, that's all they see all day. So they think that's their only destination. So, but the fact is, guys, that's hilarious. BlackRock on top of that, talking about race inequality. When JP Morgan has been busted 100 times for giving blacks and Hispanics higher percentages as far as with interest rates than the counterpart. So that makes no sense whatsoever, but it's definitely hilarious. But guys, that's all I have for you. Basically, don't forget about the cryptos. You have Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. If you're new to cryptos, your stocks, never ever bet against your banks. You have your chip stocks, your cobalt, your gaming. Remember, guys, gaming is going to be huge. Also, everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about those stocks. You have the C word. Don't forget about those stocks. Basically, everybody's sitting at home, getting paid. So what are they doing? They're drinking, they're smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. And y'all have a wonderful day.